Hey there everybody, thanks for stopping by. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I got my swap from my partner, Shemeka Spencer, out in California, and I'm super excited. The only thing I did was just cut the tape, so we're going to go on this adventure together. I'm so excited. Our swap theme was the movie Grease, so here we go. Oh, I'm in love. Oh, I am so in love. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this box off to the side so that we can see each thing. All right. So first I'm going to move some of this fabulous shred over just because it's pretty. And a card, gorgeous card. Thank you so much, Shemeka. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. So the very first thing is, oh, look at this gorgeous. Okay, this is a French fry box. And I don't know if you can tell, but that is shimmer music paper filled with treats. I'm in love. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Oh, and I believe we have one of her handmade gorgeous albums. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, yes, ma'am. That is spectacular. Okay, you guys cannot see this. This is so gorgeous. She did Mod Podge and this gorgeous iridescent star trim. All the paper is shimmer. I'm in love. Oh, Shemeka, this is gorgeous. Oh, look at this, and it's a stamp set and folder. Oh, girl, this is so, look at Beauty School Dropout. Oh my gosh. I want to know, loving this corner pocket. I want to know where you got some of these images from. They are to die for. Believe in Pink, yes ma'am. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. The shimmer paper is over the top. It is so amazing. Oh, and look at these fabulous embellishments. These are gorgeous jemmies. And the lyrics to Summer Night. Oh, I'm in love. This is like completely after my own heart. I am in love. Oh, and I broke my nail, so I have a hard time now getting... Oh, there it is. Okay, that's what it is. This lifts. I was thinking that was glued down. Oh, so cute. These are famous lines. This is so gorgeous. And all of these pages, you guys can't see this, but these are all sturdy, heavy chipboard, wrapped in paper, just done gorgeous, beautifully done. Oh, I love these flip pages. I'm so in love with this. Not to mention that Grease is my absolute favorite movie of all time. Oh, more pullouts. Let's see if I can get my fingers in here. There we go. Oh, the pink ladies. I'm in love. I'm in love with these papers. These 50s glasses. They're just the best. Rydell High. This is so fabulous. I love it. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I am definitely going to enjoy that. Oh, let's see. Okay. Now we've got a Pink Ladies box. And this is a box that is handmade and filled with goodies. Oh, oh, oh. Everyone loves microwave popcorn. Thank you very much. And I love the handmade box. With the Pink Ladies. And this, again, shimmer, gorgeous paper. Ooh. I think I love the paper. I might even love the paper more than the popcorn, and that's saying a lot. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, look at this. Love this. It's for your purse, so you can hang it on your purse and always have your chapstick. That is so dang adorable. I love it. Thank you. This is going on my work bag for, well, because I start my college classes this Thursday, but this is going to be going on my work tote bag when I start back to work in the fall, so thank you. Oh, look at that cute paper. All right, and this is an adorable, oh my gosh, so cute. You guys have to see this. This is a hand sanitizer, and it's got its own, like, booklet, like, box. Oh, Shemeka, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, and she's got it doubly wrapped for safety. Love that. Look how cute this is. The star nests behind the popcorn. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Oh, I love that. Love, love, love. What a fabulous box. And there's still more. Okay, this is a sweet orange bath fizzer. And this is so cute from the Beauty Shop Dropout. Oh, this is so cute. Love it, love it, love it. It looks like it is sweet orange. Can't wait to try that. Oh, more goodies. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is another kind of box, and this is all different images from the movie theater. This is a great box. I love this. Oh, I'm glad I peeked. She has it taped, so I'm going to just gently open this tape up. Okay, perfect. The 40th anniversary edition of the movie. Oh my gosh. I'm like over the moon. I can't even. Oh, Shemeka, that's too much. Oh. I can't wait. I'm watching it tomorrow. Again. I know. I can't. And this box is fabulous. I so love it. And I see why it didn't want to open, because I didn't cut all 4 pieces of the tape. Ha! Works better if you know how to work the box. Now watch. Perfect. Perfect fit. That was user error, because I didn't know how to cut all the tape properly. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And more shimmer paper. Oh, hello. Come to mama. Wait. Hold on. You've got to see this. This is a Pokey Tool. It is gorgeous. This was handmade, I guarantee it. Oh, that is spectacular. And the charm says, choose happy. I love this. That is going on my desk immediately. Like, to be used right now. Oh, look at that. See if I can figure out how to work it. Oh, there we go. Twist. Oh, that is gorgeous. This will come in handy with my classes. Thank you. Love that. Guys, this box keeps on giving. There is still more stuff. What are these? Ooh, the Red Vine Mini Bites. Peace, love, and vines. Love that. Thank you. Oh, look. Oh, 100 calories, but in 18. That's not too bad. That's a great movie snack. All right. I think 2 more things. Wanted to get the last one out of the box. This is so cute. Okay, so this is all of the guys from the film. Love the records. Oh, I think I know what this is. I hope it is. Oh, I'm going to be so excited if it is. I think this looks like a new, completely chic notepad. It is, and I'm in love. And look at that. It's pink paper. This is perfect. I love that. Love, love, love. Oh, that's so cute. All right, one more box. This is it. You guys, I'm so excited. This is such a fun swap. Oh my goodness. Look at this poodle fur. And you should see my poodle skirt. It's been very, very well worn and loved and needs to be updated, remade. This is fabulous. Okay, you're going to see this on the skirt very soon. Oh, look at this hair bow. Okay, this is like incredibly perfect. It's so for the movie. And it's got a wire in it so you can position it around your pony or up around your head. I cannot wait to try this. I'm so excited. Pink lady glasses. Shemeka, girl, you're spoiling me. This is too much. I am in love. What is it? Tell me about it, Rizzo. Okay, y'all, you know. So much love for the movie Grease. Look at these adorable, okay, I cannot. Earrings in 2 colors of polka dots that match the scarf and the glasses perfectly. I'm totally in love. Oh, no way. Did you make... Oh, you seriously made a Grease mask? Oh, I am in heaven. Where on earth did you find the fabric? Oh, I'm in love. I cannot wait to wear this. This is so perfect. Look at it. It's got pink ladies and T-birds all over it. Oh my gosh. This is beyond. This is so over the top. I am absolutely blown away. And perfect. Clove and blackjack chewing gum. Shemeka, this is the best swap. Thank you so much. I am so glad that we got partnered up for this swap. And thank you all for stopping by to check out my unboxing video. I hope you have a fabulous day. Take care of each other.